league we should start treating big teams should start behaving like big teams.
Yeah.
Madrid, you win the league, you don't win the Champions League. You win Copa del Rey, don't win the league, you don't qualify to Champions League. Do you stay?
No, you don't stay. But
exactly.
But the difference is he has qualified for KF.
He did qualify, but
he has won a trophy.
I feel like you guys wait. You are missing one key factor. You Pirates. You are holding Pirates to a standard. So you can't say Pirates gonna fire Uwadu for failing to win something that they've been failing to win for 10 years.
For the past 5 seasons, the Pirates mid-season, the hope is gone already. The league is gone. For the past 5 seasons, Sundowns winner league in 60 points. But look at where we are now. So if we fail to win now, like Izoba more than the previous.
You're holding win a standard that comes out of thin air. Like
it's a good thing to have that mentality and that standard. No. In order for us to behave like a big team, we should start installing it.
Standard comes from what you've done.
But it's
you made an example about in Madrid, Barcelona, Bernabeu.
Yeah.
Those guys, this is why they do that is Barcelona consistently wins the league. You fail the league is a problem. You fail to win the league is a problem.
Yeah.
Madrid fails to win, always wins the Champions, continues to win the Champions League.
But they didn't start there. That's the thing.
No, wait, though. So if you fail to win the Champions League, there's a problem.
The league.
I know the league can argue because they are winning consistently.
Yeah, but Madrid is trophyless, back to back.
Yeah, you can. So they do that.
Yeah.
Same thing with Sundowns. In Sundowns, a league is expected.
Yeah.
You can get sacked for failing to win the league.
Yeah.
However, you don't get sacked for failing to win CAF because they don't consistently win CAF.
Yeah.
They understand that this you can't say you fail to win CAF as if individually.
Yeah.
Whereas in Al you get sacked for not winning CAF because it's their standard.
Sure.
In Paris, there's no league that they've been winning for the past 16 years.
Listen
to the point that I'm trying to say is so for the past 16 years, you have failed to win the league. So it's hard for you guys to say a coach had a failure of a season because he failed to win the league, whereas you have not won the league in 16 years.